The word vagina refers to the outer part of a woman's intimate organ, that is, the outside word of a woman's intimate organs. There are five types of vaginas. The first one is the Miss Cottons. This is a vagina where the labia minora, that is the inner lips, extend out past the labia majora, either a little bit or a whole lot. Apparently, it is the most common type of vagina and has characteristics that are seen in other types too. Number 2, Miss Barbie. Although this type of vagina is the least common vagina, majority of people assume that the vaginas look like that. In this case, the labia minora is completely hidden inside the labia majora, and both sets of lips rest on the pelvic bone. And number 3, Miss Puffs. This looks similar to the Miss Barbie, but the lips sit lower on the pelvic bone and are either puffed up or thin and hanging. The fourth type is the Miss Tulip. This one looks like a flower about to bloom. Here the labia minora is slightly showing throughout the whole length of the labia majora. It is different than the cottons because the inner lips are both exposed and contained. And the last is Miss Horseshoe. This is when the vagina opening is wider at the top, which exposes the labia minora, but the labia majora touch towards the bottom and stops the labia minora from extending below them. It generally looks like a horseshoe. Well, there are different types of vaginas, but it doesn't mean any is better than the other. If you find this video interesting, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment down below. Tell us the type of vagina you have.